Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Did you know that Crayola made dry erase markers? I did not, and I'm pleasantly surprised by how vibrant and how well that they work on my dry erase board. These markers come with every color of the rainbow, and you can see that all of them are super vibrant, they're colorful, they have lots of liquid inside to show you an indicator of how much that there is. I also really like that they did enclose a black, because who doesn't need a black dry erase marker? The colors that are inside the markers come out just as vibrant on your wipe off board. I also really like that it's a chisel tip, so they're very easy to write and write very neatly, and to be able to write letters that are very clearly easy to see. I use my dry erase board to be able to provide instruction for school time. So being able to have all these lots of fun colors makes it really fun for my day and also for our scheduling. The markers work so great, and I love the vibrant colors. This set is a great complete set of colorful, really fun, easy to use dry erase markers. And that's my point of view.